Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We all know that soap carving is a delightful and easy craft that allows people of all ages from children to adults to explore their creativity. As you can see, we are going to make this beautiful flower design. You can use a simple bar of soap and few basic tools like this one. We are using a cutter here, or you can use carving tools like knives or sculpting tools as well, and you can transform a small plain block into a beautiful and intricate creation like this one. As you can see, we are going to make the flower petal design and then keep adding more details on the outer side of the flower. This is a very slow process and it is very interesting how you can transform these beautiful things into decoration pieces. Use sharp tools like this one and keep cutting the outer part of the flower. Finally, we are going to remove it from the outer portion and give it more detail like this one. And look, your soap art is ready. As you can see, we are going to use a small tool like this one and create a mini flower design. The process of soap carving is both therapeutic and rewarding. As you carefully carve away the soap, different shapes and forms begin to emerge. Whether you choose to create realistic animals, abstract designs, or even floral patterns like this one, the possibilities are endless. One of the best things about soap carving is that it's budget friendly. It is very cheap. You can take any color of soap, and this is a very budget friendly activity that anyone can enjoy. Even you can enjoy it with your families, you can enjoy within the classrooms or individual as well. It's a great way to foster creative expressions. You can improve fine motor skills and connect with the nature. As you can see, we're going to remove the flower petals from the outside, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful flower soap art design. You can gift it to your loved ones, as it can be a thoughtful and beautiful gift because each finished piece is truly one of a kind. Imagine the delight on someone's face when they receive a beautifully carved soap sculpture like this one, knowing that you put your heart and soul into creating it. Look how pretty these flower patterns are looking. We're going to carve the flower petal and look, it's ready. Here we're going to put a pearl at the center and carve these flower petals on the outer part. These type of designs are perfect for your loved ones. You can gift it to them, and you can also use them as decor piece. So gather your supplies, let your imagination soar, and dive into the wonderful world of soap carving. It's a very unique art. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And look, your flower design is ready. Finally, we're going to remove the extra part from the outer portion. First, we're going to draw a circle and carve it, then create more designs on the inner side. You can use different tools like this one. Soap carving is a versatile art form that allows creators to explore a wide range of designs and styles. Like we are carving a beautiful flower pattern here. Beginners can start with simple shapes like this one. You can simply make the flower petals and the center part as well. Take a small portion of soap. Overall, this is a very delightful and rewarding craft that allows people to create beautiful designs and connect with natural world and create something truly special. You can gift this piece to your loved ones. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching this video.